Well, many of you have seen all the pictures I've been doing today. I built the diorama for the Grand Canyon at Disneyland, and I finally finished gluing it down. I wish my camera could reach that far. It can't. I can show you maybe. No, all you can see is pretty much Main Street Station. And you see the blue box back there of Oops All Berries? Crunch Berries? Well, that little gem has helped me a lot. First of all, there is my Disneyland sign in there. I haven't decided which one to build. It's a paper model, which would be like, I don't know if you can see it because I have my light on. Let me get this out of the way. Pretty bright. See the Disneyland sign up there? Okay, that's G scale. I'm building N scale. Now, I don't know if I'm going to build it in that style or if I'm going to build the 1980s style, the big one that lit up. Because I have both signs. Of course, I'm not going to make it light up or anything. But since I think I'm building Disneyland in an 80s style, 80s, 90s, a little bit of everything from 80s on up. I don't have Star Tours or nothing, or I don't even have a Tomorrowland really, except for the submarines and the Matterhorn, I think. Yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, I had Skyway buckets, but no luck. See that monster down there on the ground? That black and white monster? Yeah, he ate my Skyway bucket ride. And who knows, maybe he had his buddies right there. Well, she wasn't around, but the red one up there, he might have helped. But mostly that guy there. Ooh, here's a piece of twine. I gotta play with it. It's a toy. Anyways, back to the box. Blocked with the crunch berries. I'm building the diorama. Okay, well, I've got pretty much the Grand Canyon done. I gotta build the dope part. And then I'm going to try to go figure out where I'm going to buy dinosaur stuff to put in, because this is N scale, not HO scale. I mean, dinosaurs can be any size because, well, like Disneyland, everything was out of scale. So, there we go. So, I start digging in the box and I find the sign for Disneyland. It's also like an N scale. I'm not sure where it's at, but it's in that mess there. Yes, this place is a mess. We've been cleaning it up and trying to restore it, and it's 100 years old, so it's got a lot of stuff in it. Anyway, so I'm trying to think, where am I going to get the dinosaur? I was going through the box, and I pulled this out. Bum, bum, bum. When you're going by on the train, there he is. Right? Whatever it does. Well, I find out that I have not only one of them, but two. I'm like, oh, well, I can maybe hang one around and I can fly. And then I came across this. I'm like, oh, I guess we went to Hobby Lobby, or no, we went to the other one that's closed today. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. I was going to say Michael. We went to Hobby Lobby and came across all of these. And yes, I do have this set up here. Kind of like it would look like in the thing. I'll have to build a volcano, obviously. Fighting here, I think it's this one fighting. There we go. I haven't been to Disneyland in a while. scene look familiar? It looks familiar to me. I don't know about you guys, but if you put a volcano behind it exploding, can't get it focused. There we go. Get a volcano back here blowing up and exploding, fireworks going off or whatever. No. I have my dinosaur scene. And then of course over here you would have, it's not really these ones, I wish I had two of them, but put them like that and put some eggs in here going tok, 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 tok. So you have that scene, and then of course I don't have the big dinosaurs that were like the ones that were in the water. I can probably come up with something. I have these dinosaurs. So there we go. I have the diorama for the primeval world. Whatever the heck it says. I don't speak Spanish. So there you have it. I have my dinosaurs. So where will I put it, you ask us? I wish the camera would go farther, but it won't go farther. What if I go up higher and you can see it? I'm making myself dizzy looking at this. How about you guys? See if I can clear up with you. Alright, so that's just about as far as I can reach it. I can't make it any wider. But all we can pick up is the Main Street station because I got all this crap in the way. Just because I gotta block kitty cats from climbing on top of it. But if we could get to it, right behind the Main Street station, you can kind of see, well, you can see the roof line of the windows. That would be where Grand Canyon Diorama is. So there you have it. Trying to make it back to where you can see my face, not so bad. Yes, I lost my hats, but I found them. I get to put my hats back in my room. The ghosts didn't hide them. Yes, we have ghosts in this place. I know, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but no, really, there's ghosts in there. This house is over 100 years old, and I think a lot of people have died in this house, or killed themselves, or got burned. That's in a whole nother story. I'm not gonna talk about that. We're talking about Disneyland. So, dinosaurs, diorama, primeval world, or if you want to call it Kingdom of the Dinosaurs. We are now stepping back into our own time. Please stay seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Thanks for joining us for Disneyland Railroad. Don't forget to subscribe. All you have to do is go down to that thing right there, that arrow, and click it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch for more updates on my Disneyland in N scale.